Hey guys, here's a cheaper and simpler way to screen in your porch. This is if you're on a budget or things like that. We do it a lot, especially on budget projects. This is a porch that we're doing here. Let me show you the screen, how we do it, okay? See, hey guys, just want to show you the pre-frame, the framing before we do the screen. This is going to be the best and cheapest way how to do a screen, especially if you're in a budget. Materials are very expensive, and all this wood was expensive. The owner chose not to go with prefab framed screen. So we're just going to take the screen, stretch it out, staple it with a staple gun. You can use a handheld staple gun and staple it along the edges of the 4x4. And I'll show you this in the next video, but right now I'm going to show you all the structure is going to be
Hay que ir limpiando todo esto. No sé si,
all the way that framing,
si yo traigo la traila más tarde
that goes all the way to the ceiling, all the way to the top there. Take your big screen, stretch it out, staple it on each side, top, bottom, and you stretch it along the way. As you're stapling it, you stretch, staple, stretch, staple, stretch, staple. I will usually start by stapling one side first and then stretching it along the other. Usually a lot of times we start at the bottom and then work our way on top, and then you just frame it either with 2x4s or 1x2s or cheap wood. You frame all the edges with straight lines, and that'll give you a finished product. It's also easier to replace. And then you cover it up with 1x4s, 1x2s, 1x6 all around the perimeter. These are easy to remove if you need to replace a screen. They're not too bad. Sometimes we use screws, sometimes we use nails. I prefer screws because with the screws you can remove them. Just unscrew them, and now you have a replaceable part of it. Anyway, stay tuned for more content.